Okay, so let's continue about past perfect. Now our class is about past perfect continuous. Don't worry, students, it's the same so about as past perfect, okay? What's the only difference is that in past perfect continuous we are going to emphasize a period of time, okay, that an action was happening before another, okay? But just to review, past perfect, we need two actions in past. One action happened before the other, okay? Or if you prefer, we need two actions. One is the cause, the other is the consequence. The cause, we use the past perfect, and the consequence, we use the simple past. Words that connect these two sentences, very important. Words that connect this sentence are before, after, because, when, etc. Okay? So let's see the past perfect continuous. The auxiliary had plus been, always been, plus a verb plus ing in this verb. Okay? An example, interrogative form. Had you been, so we have been waiting for a bus before it arrived. So, had you been waiting, it's the first action in past, yes? And before it arrived, the second action, and the consequence, the cause, consequence, okay? And why we use past perfect continuous here? Just to emphasize how long you had been waiting, okay? Let's suppose you don't want to emphasize. You could ask, had you waited for a bus before it arrived? The context changed just a little bit, okay? Reviewing, had plus been plus ing, this is the first action. Before is connecting the two actions, and we have the second action here. The second action is in simple past, okay? Negative form, the sentence I gave you as an example. I hadn't been expecting so many past tenses before I started the intermediate level. Did you get it? A little ironic? Relax. You will overcome all the difficulties. I believe in you. So, first action. First action. Hadn't been expecting. So it's just emphasizing. I was not expecting this. Oh my God. Okay. And this is your cause. And what is the consequence? The first action. Second action. Connecting the two sentences. Before. Simple past. I started the intermediate level. So you always, as you can see, the sentences are always longer when we are in past perfect, because now we are intermediate level. We can speak better, okay, with more information, okay. Affirmative. The example: they had been choosing a few songs before they wanted to draw a disco party. So, first, of course, if you are going to draw a disco party, what do you have to do? First, they had been choosing a few songs. They sat down, they start going through the library, okay, searching the best songs. So it's emphasized how long, describing, okay. So it's the first action in past. Okay, and then after they have all the playlists read, they wanted to draw a disco party, and wanted is in second action In past, simple past. Okay? So we have always the two tenses, past perfect, simple past, or simple past, past perfect. The order of the sentences is not official. It's not always the first sentence is past perfect. No, it's actions. Pay attention, okay? And here I repeat when we use the past perfect continuous. Usage. It's identical to the past perfect. That's my opinion, and I believe you will have the same. It just needs, the past perfect continuous, just needs to emphasize how long an action had been happening. That's the only difference. The more information you use, the better your English get, okay? So I know this is too much to handle for the time being. We have more exercises in Unit 2. You're going to practice it. Be free to ask me any questions, any doubts you have. Please ask me. It's new subject, so please go ahead. Ask me, fire away, okay? And it's over. Now I have one more class about Unit 2, but the past tenses are over, okay? We just need to practice now, okay? So calm down, there is one more class.